Hey guys, good morning and happy Merry Merry Christmas, guys. How is everyone doing? Today is 25th. I decided that if I'm not doing Vlogmas for you guys, at least I should give you guys like just one content related to Christmas, right? So we're doing this and I'm going to take you guys with me on my day. The thing is, for me, nothing really happens. Like, well, we just go to church and come back. I don't go out because going out Christmas Day is crazy here. I don't know where you're watching this from, but in Nigeria, basically. And let me talk for where I'm staying, Port Harcourt, even in Lagos. What? So I know that it's a lot. If you're going out anywhere, it's going to be packed, going to be full. This was even before, like years before. Talk more of now that everybody's screaming COVID. So why do I look orange? Oh wow, these camera settings. Let me open my window a little bit. Yeah, so guys, how are you? Let me know in the comments how your day is going or how your Christmas day went yesterday, because I'm gonna put this up tomorrow, 26th. Yeah, so let me know how your day went. Was it good? What did you get? Did you get any Christmas gifts? You know, I'll let you guys know if I get anything at the end of the day. But yeah, so I'll see you guys soon. I want to clean my room, but while cleaning my room, I feel like I want to gist with you guys. Let's see how it goes. So I have been filming. Oh, this lighting. So I have been, look how energetic I am because I'm doing vlogs, you guys. So I've been filming the first part, you guys. So I've been filming without my mic. So let me know how it turns out, because I'm about to put it on. I'll put it on once. I'll tell you guys once I put on my mic, so that you guys can like tell me if there's a difference. You get? So I'm trying to put it on now and connect this. So let me know if the audio gets better, right? Just give me a second. And we're in. So how's the audio now, guys? Is it better? Is it more? Can you hear me? So anyways, I want to clean my room. My room right now is like, it's not a mess, right? It's not a mess. Let me show you guys. There's no light, but let me show you guys what I was doing yesterday, right? So I planned on doing a wig. I planned on doing a wig. This is like my first wig, guys. Let me show you guys. So this is like the first wig I'm trying to make, right? So I don't know. Are you guys into wigs? I'm not sure if I'm getting it right. So I stopped and just forgot about it. But this is what it's looking like, sha. So I just fashioned it, and you know, I felt like I was doing rubbish. But anyways, I'm drifting a lot, sorry. Yeah, so I'm about to clean my room right now, and I don't know guys. So 2021 is coming. I want to gist with you guys during this vlog, because I know that this vlog is not going to be all that. It's not going to be packed with a lot of activities, right? So I want to gist with you guys. So yeah, 2021 is coming, right? How do you guys feel? How do you feel that you are? Have I said Merry Christmas? I don't know. Have I said Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas again, just in case I haven't. Why are you not focusing on me? Yeah, so just in case I haven't, Merry Christmas. 2021 is coming, guys. So how do you feel, basically? How do you feel making it? I mean, we didn't make it all by ourselves, right? Hell, my vision board is still... Can you focus? What's your problem? God. Now, wow, this is still empty. I have the pictures, but I haven't like printed them out. How do you guys feel about like the whole Christmas? You're meant to be tracking me. What's your problem? I'll slap you. You guys, I don't know why this is not going as well as I wanted to. This thing is not focusing on me all the time. But as I was saying, like 2021, a lot happened in 2020 for me, right? For me, I am really like so grateful to God for coming this far. Like a lot has happened, guys. A lot has actually happened, and to be here on the 25th of December, and it just feels so good, and I'm just filled with like thanks and joy and gratitude and all of those stuff, because like it's been a year, right? So what are you grateful for? I'm grateful for life, and life basically, because without the life, like, I mean, what do we have, you know? So I'm just really grateful that I'm alive, my family is alive, you guys watching this, you guys are alive, and you know, it's just good to know that we are like God is with us. Do you guys get? But anyways, yeah, so I want to go ahead to clean now and dress my bed, but I can't have you guys with me, so I'll keep you guys somewhere and go ahead to clean. Able to finish my room. I have only dressed my bed and I went to go and eat. I'm even late. This is past 9. I'm supposed to be churches by 10. You see why I don't like vlogging when like I have like I'm always going to be late. I tried vlogging in school once, guys. I was always late for service. Same thing is happening now. Okay, right now I want to have my bath and then like get ready. I wanted to do makeup, but there's no time. Should I just do like foundation and brows, or I should just go like that? What do you guys think? I don't know. Let me go. This is what I'm looking like. Don't worry, I'm going to take pictures for you guys, but this is not doing justice. But we move. We good. I did like some really minute makeup because I'm late, but this is what we're looking like right now. So I hope my face isn't that bad. This thing will not want to focus right now. Guys, so I'm back from church and I feel like stopping this vlog, but I don't know, I just want to go on with it and film everything and see if I would still use these things. But basically I'm back And next up is to go to the kitchen and join my mom, and we're going to cook rice. I'm sure you guessed right. But yeah, that's it. So I know that there's like a major blow up. That's because I want to take pictures right now for a brand. Yeah, we're working on Christmas Day, so I'll take pictures for a brand, and yeah, let me show you guys. So I am done taking pictures now. Or did I tell you guys? I don't know if I told you guys, but I went to touch up my makeup just so that I could take pictures. So I'm done now, and signing out, because basically this is it, guys. No addition, no subtraction, and so this is it. This is me signing out. This is typically what happens. I mean, last year, I'm sure last year I didn't have to what's it called now, I didn't have to do content creation. It's just go to church, come back, make food, eat, sleep, watch TV. Okay, I could watch TV, but I feel like I want to like sleep. So anywho, I'm done here, and I want to sign out now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, even though I think this vlog is gonna be so boring. I forgot to tell you guys. So hey, that's how one of my sisters, yeah, she told me that she listened to, like, she watched one of my YouTube videos, and the one where I was showing my background and how I was able to do my YouTube background and everything, and she was like, her ears were tingling, and how did she even put it again? And she was like, I'm not pronouncing words the right way. Even me now that I feel like I'm speaking tush tush. She said that because apparently, yes, she has a school and she deals with like British curriculum, Montessori. That's if I'm even pronouncing that one well. So she told me that I need to work on my pronunciation, that I'm speaking to an international audience. I say,
I said, okay, now I'll work on it. You guys know, like, I'm all about like personal development and stuff, so you guys will be seeing me taking some personal English lessons. Well, I don't know how that is going to go. She told me that there's an app. Can I be learning English at 21? Anyways, it's never too late. So I need to actually improve for her to say that, and for her to know, like, I mean, she's in the field, right? She's an academic person, knows these things. So for her to tell me that I need to, you know, learn to pronounce well and all of that, I'm going to take it seriously, because I'm not dealing with just Nigerians. So if you guys see me speaking shri, just know just know that I'm just trying to improve myself, right? So even as I'm talking now, someone who you people will think that I'm speaking to English. She should listen to me. She'll be like, this one, no. So I really want to improve on that. So she told me that there's an app to learn pronunciation and stuff. So I'm going to do that, and I will take you guys with me on the journey. Also, let me know if you guys want cooking vlogs. I have some simple ideas which I could do, and I've been begging my brother. My brother is like the chef of the house, so I've been begging him to like well, how did you put it, special appearance in my videos. You get, I've been begging him because he knows how to cook really well, but he doesn't want to agree. So I don't know, if you guys want cooking vlogs, then like this video and tell me down below, or tell me down below, so that I know you guys want cooking vlogs. And yeah, that's it. So I am officially I'm officially signing out. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let me know what you guys think about this vlog. Was it Christmassy? Was it just there? I feel like it was just there because I didn't go out. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye guys.